Good morning, everyone. Let's go ahead and take a couple deep breaths as we center ourselves. Let's go ahead and expand our solar plexus energy. Make it as big as you in all directions. Now make it 6 feet bigger than you in all directions. How's your body doing today? We are in new energies. After the fall equinox, completely new energies. Can you sense it? How is your body doing with them? Do you have any intensities in the body anywhere? If you do, just focus on that intensity in the body and push it out of the body. Just push it out, make an effort. And as it comes out of the body, watch it float up and up and up until you no longer see it. You're giving it to the universe to transmute it for you. So today we're going to work with cleansing of our environment. We're going to work with the creator of all that is. And ask the creator to cleanse. First, let's start with us. If there's anything within us that needs to go, that's still remnants from whatever, from the past, that need to go, to cleanse it. Maybe we no longer can see it. Maybe we are reluctant to let it go. But just a nice, gentle cleanse. And also to the environment. The environment being the trees, the plants, the animals, the grass, the rocks. And then as the water, we're going to continue to do the cleansing. So let's go up to the creator of all that is and ask him to allow a cleansing. We'll ask him to clean all negative information stored in us, in the environment. as the Creator starts this rain of light to cleanse you and to cleanse what's around you, I want you to go inside of you and feel your body. Make an assessment of your body. And like we did before, if you have any intensities in the body, push it out and watch it go up into the heavens. A gentle cleansing of light. Rocks, crystals. Did you know that you can store a petabyte of data in a grain of sand? So whenever you buy a crystal, do you ever wonder what was recorded on it? Sometimes you can see the slight indentations on them, and you know there's something recorded on it. The Akashic records, it's all crystals. Let's make sure that the Creator also gently bathes it in the rain of light, with the rain of light. Each person, each being that was ever born on the planet, their Earth Akashic record is a crystal. And depending how many lifetimes you've been here, your crystal grows. And it tells the story of who you are, who you were, and who you will be. Watch your crystal get cleansed. Your Akashic record crystal get cleansed. And feel yourself being cleansed as well. No, you cannot read anybody else's Akashic records. You have to have permission. Nobody can read yours either. So don't worry. All is well in all of creation. There are secure protocols for that. It's good to get a bath or a shower once in a while, huh? To remove all negative information. We're removing it from the entire planet. Creator of all that is, can you expand this to other planets and in the multiverse, please? Thank you. See, we always start local, and then we go on. We go global, we go multiverse. Show by example, always. That's the sign of a good leader. Show by example. You cannot tell me to do something if you yourself don't know how to do it. I learned that a long time ago. People respect you more if you know how to do it and then you show them how to do it versus just what I call classroom teaching. It's all textbook, no actual knowledge of how to build it, how to create it. Therefore, it's just hearsay. They don't know really what it takes to create it, to make it, to build it. So, how do you feel? How is the beautiful light rain landing on you? Did you release all negative information stored in you? In your Akashic crystal? In the Akashic cave? Ah, you didn't know about that beautiful cave, did you? Mm-hmm. I wonder how many other Akashic records you have throughout the multiverse. Have you ever thought about that? If you ever lived in other places, you will have another crystal somewhere else. Boggles the mind, huh? Thank you to all the beings that joined us today. Thank you. Thank you, Creator of all that is. Thank you. And with that, let's go ahead and take a couple deep breaths as we come back to the present. And when you're ready, rub your hands together. Rub your face and open your eyes.